2013 Toyota RAV-4. I'm doing the brake bulb and the blinker bulb. So with your headlights on, this should light up and the other one should light up next to it. But when you hit the brakes, it should like light up twice because it has a dual filament bulb in there. So it should light up extra bright. But this one over here is not. This is just with the brake pedal push. I got nothing over here. So to replace this, we're going to take off the two 10mm bolts right here after you open your rear hatch. And this is how to get to the blinker bulb as well. So we'll take these two off. Alright, set those aside. You're going to reuse them, don't lose them. And then you're going to want to wiggle this and pull it straight out towards you. Don't pull it to the side or to the right, left. Just pull it straight out. A lot of wiggling, a lot of pulling straight towards you. It's a little stubborn and annoying, but just don't lose your patience. It'll budge out finally. And the reason why you got to pull it straight out is because this clip right here is in a little slot. That little slot right there. And the only way to get that slot is to pull it straight backwards. If you go pull it to the left, it's going to break off. Here's the two bulbs. These are the sockets here. You have to unscrew these. It's basically lefty loosey, righty tighty. Unscrew it, it'll unlock, and then you're going to wiggle this and pull it out. You might have to like wiggle it a little bit and maneuver it out. This has some weird blue bulb in there, but it's burnt out. One of the filaments is burnt out. Like I mentioned before, it's a dual filament. Here's my Toyota part number bulb. I'm going to link bulbs in the description, so check for that. This is a dual filament. It means it has two little coils in there. I don't know if you can see it, but one's for your tail light, and then when you hit the brakes, the other one lights up, and that's for your brake light. So this just goes in here. When you put it in, try to get it in really good. Make sure it kind of pops or clicks when you put it in. You could hit the brake pedal before you put this all together to see if it lights up if you want, but be careful because it'll get hot. We're just going to put this in. You're going to kind of spin this around until the tabs drop into their homes, and then once they're in their homes, you're going to twist it to lock it in place. Again, just keep your patience. Be careful not to let this taillight housing scratch your paint. This is the blinker bulb right here. Same thing, just unlock it, pull it out. This is a single filament bulb. Go ahead and get this guy out. I'm going to link this bulb as well, your blinker here. Okay. And I believe this is a 7440 bulb. Alright, so check the description and the comments for links. I'm going to link them to Amazon. Get yourself a bulb or two. Put this in. Your new one would just clip in the same way your brake light bulb did. Kind of rotate this until it drops in, and then you'll twist it to lock it in place. Now when you put this back in, you need to put it in straight. Just like how you took it out straight backwards, you need to slide this in straight because you got to let that clip back there get into that slot. Then you're going to put these in. This should be like perfectly flush with how it was when you first came upon it. A lot of times guys will get it kind of crooked, and then when they bring down their hatch right here, it'll clip this and break that whole housing. It'll shatter it or crack it. So when you shut your hatch, go real slow. Make sure you're clearing it, just kind of like this. Just go real slow, make sure it clears it. You're probably going to be fine, but I've seen dudes mess it up. You'd be surprised. But anyways, guys, so hit the brake pedal. Have someone hit it for you if you don't have like a tool to test it out. It should light up like that with the brake pedal applied, and that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. It helped you out. Thanks for watching. I wanted to say about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.